Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. Today I'll be looking at the Aussie against the US dollar. I'll be discussing the recent trading history in this currency pair, and I'll also be trying to identify the key technical levels on the Aussie. So there's lots happening with this currency pair. Yesterday we had a move up to the 77.30 area and we've sold down sharply, and we've been as low as 76.20 in Asian trading. If we have a look really at a monthly chart that I've got in front of me, there's something very important happening with the Aussie. You can see this move here is really the down move, which started to happen around 2013. It's really defined the downtrend in the Aussie, and yesterday we came up to test that line around the 77.30. Now if we were to break this line, we could potentially move into a period of bullishness for the Aussie dollar, and I think it's something that traders are really going to be keeping their eye on, that 77.30 region. If we can break that area, we can potentially make our way to the 78.50 area, and even as high as the 80 for the Aussie dollar. And I think the 80 level is crucial, but first of all we need to break this monthly trend line around the 77.30, and the bulls will really then start to pile in, I believe, on the Aussie. If we have a look at the downside, for crucial areas of support, this morning's low around 76.20 is now crucial support for the Aussie. Beneath that, really a level of key significance for the Aussie is 75.80. It's old testing ground for the Aussie, and it really is an area of support that it needs to hold. At the moment, if you have a look at the key pivot on the Aussie dollar, it's sitting around 76.55. Once we're above there, we may start to re-attack that 77.30 trend line, and once we're above there, it's really smooth sailing, and I think we will then see a sharp advancement in the Aussie. We may target that crucial 78.50 area. So I think today and certainly next week will be crucial periods for the Aussie to see whether it's got the strength to take out that 7.30 area, and whether it will try it today or at some point next week will come back to retest this key trend line on the Aussie dollar. And of course, to the downside, the 75.80 area will be crucial as always, and it really needs to hold that, otherwise it can certainly slip off down towards that 75.10 support. So really all eyes on the Aussie, and I think it'll be a very interesting time for Aussie traders. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers.